e-Golf. It's don't have rear camera, and now I decide to try to install it because it's need. And first I try to show how to make a coding. I have original VCDS, but it's have no label files. It's don't help to find out coding, so I was looking manual. To activate coding, you must go in this one, information electric, and after coding, after coding helper, it says that sorry, but we have no information about this control unit. Okay, we see, and now everything is almost nothing, but we found byte number 19. Push on it, and after bit number 4 we must mark it. I have already done, but must mark it. Push exit. After push do it, and go back, and after on radio you must push and hold this for 15 seconds and hold, and after this radio restart, and after you put in reverse, it's coming with screen. It's good sign. So now just need camera. For connecting camera, we must take out this unit. Today is late, so I make tomorrow. Today was my mission to make coding working, so I done it. So tomorrow take out this one, and in blue connector pin number 6 and 12 is camera signal lines. So these two lines is for video signal. Camera is fit any camera with this PAL camera or something like that, which all cars using. It's aftermarket, and it's no need any special camera. Camera I have this one in how to say, license plate lamp. I think we will see how it works, but I try to make it work tomorrow. It's inside cable. I go to the radio in this by hair everywhere, and connect it in this. And of course I need reverse lamp plus signal cable, so I take it from here. I think here is reverse lamp, so this signal I take from here, and I think it must work. We will see. So it's like that. Yes, bye bye.